going on, guys? It is the Catcher PvP here, also known as Aiden, and today I am doing a review on a gaming keyboard. I am quite sorry about all, I haven't uploaded videos in a long time, so I hope you guys enjoy it and I'll see you guys in the video. So this is the box it came in. It is called Motospeed, I think. It's the Motospeed K70, I cannot read. Black light gaming keyboard. That's a gaming keyboard. I just hurt my knuckle and it's been punched the wall. But yeah, so simple. I am also ordering a gaming mouse, so look out for that soon. And so this is the box it comes in. It has, when it comes with, it comes with two things that go to the side of the keyboard, and it also comes in a plastic bag. This came today, earlier today in the morning. Early. Okay, so this is the keyboard. It is currently plugged into my computer. Okay, I could not show you because it's horrible. The camera angle is horrible. This is it, is when it's off, there is a switch in the corner here, right there, to turn it on and off. This is what the back looks like. It has their logo on the back, and it also has it on the front here. This is a very good keyboard, and it's not that loud of a click. I'm just going to be quiet for a second so you can hear this. Wait. It's actually quite smooth when you play. Earlier today I won a Skywars game with this. All by myself. Okay guys, so I'm going to turn off my lights and then I'll show you what it looks like with the colour on. Okay guys, I am here, you just can't see me. This is it when it's on. It looks absolutely amazing. Look at that. So I think it only has these colours. I'm not sure if you can change it or not, but this is awesome. It does help you when you're playing the games a lot, like Minecraft, because you have the WESD thingy here. Yeah. And overall, it's actually really smooth. There are some buttons here for like when it's lock, and I don't know what the other one is for. But the back also kind of lights up. This is where all the LEDs are, and they go all the way through the top, to the top I mean. And I don't know what to say. This is a really cool keyboard. Really cool. Yeah. So I'm gonna turn on my lights and do the out. Okay guys, I am back and I just thought of something, and this is it when it's in light. This is it when it's light. Okay, I cannot speak today. So this is it when the light is on. As you can see, I have a very bright light, and this is it when it's on, so you can still see the colours. I'm not sure if you can change the batteries or not, but for this to work, you have to plug it into your computer or laptop. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Maybe we could get to 2 likes on this video, and then I'll be doing another gaming video, or maybe a video on my secret lights, to go for that light up there. I'll probably be doing that today as well. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and this has been the I forgot my own name. I think my name is Catcher PvP. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed. This has been Catcher PvP, and I'll see you guys later.